So this is Deansgate to Victoria. I did manage to find a bit of empty road at Deansgate where I could plunk the bus, stick the hazards on and call that at the bus stop. This is just... you could say normal, but this isn't even normal. This takes them. Oh, taxi, jump in the queue! See, taxi marshal's completely useless. All blocking me in yet? No. No, no matter. This, I never did all this. I never did clubbing. Also, I got to clubbing. Was a friend in the gay village, and it was on a Monday night and it was dead quiet, and the only reason we went is because the gig that we went to was shit, so we chose to go drinking instead. Got to 10 o'clock going home to, I think it was 2 o'clock I think, got up home. No, it wasn't. It was we had to get a taxi. About 4 o'clock we got to home. Do you reckon the police would mind if I bought something having it from twos? The first time on the Metros I've actually been on time on the way around. The only reason I'm not going to be on time is because I'm stuck in this. Can I borrow your bicycle? Want no passengers? Vacation. But he's playing with a traffic cone. No, he's not. He's falling off the curb. Got a bit closer towards the traffic light. It's a bit like Rush on this, they all come with the cars going pointless. Well, they started doing it recently because there's more police here. I'll take your hand out of your pants. Fuck's sake, man. I'm hard, innit? I'm hard, I'm holding my own testicles. You know, in case they're gonna drop off. You know, it could happen any day now. Touch this money with them and then give it to someone else and we can organise a deal. Go! Yeah, the plate twat! This guy's here with a craze around the corner at 4 miles an hour. Yeah, watch out guys, no work. Well, you indicated late, didn't you? Thank you. Right, you hate taxi drivers. They all should off and die, really. See, I'm censoring myself there. do you? The unsafe practices, because they are bloody unsafe. Ooh, sparkly. Yeah, I'm at that point of day now where it's like, maybe home time. Home time in half an hour. Or the amount of time it takes me to get round here. McDonald's has their security on because it's, well, it's busy. Let's put it that way. It is busy. It's extremely fucking busy. Sorry, it's extremely busy. Although there's only 2 security guards, I think. There's some down on the floor. Can't see for the amount of beds. Green, go, 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 go! It says accept buses, not accept twats in taxis. Bus lane is taken up again by, guess what? Another yellow plate twat. It's a good job I've got no passengers in it. Then again, I wouldn't be like this if I had passengers on. But I'm only like this because I've got no passengers on. Next retest, 6th of March. Possibly could do an eyesight test before then. Oh look, another taxi marshal. And to make sure that there's no more taxis than what they couldn't fit in there. But yeah, that job went unannounced, didn't it? Anyone at Dawson's? Nope. Get a better penis extension. Hello. They get the name taxi marshal. They're not marshalling them. What they're doing is putting people in a taxi, just making sure the taxi is a genuine taxi. That's their job. That is their entire role, to ensure people get into proper taxis. It's not marshalling, because if it was a marshalling taxi, they'd be going, right, there's only 3 spaces, you're the 4th one off. That'd be marshalling taxis. You don't want to put which Metrolink you're actually replacing. Out of Piccadilly, there's no one at Piccadilly. I ain't calling it Shoedill, I'm 100% sure it's short. Oh, he's getting it on with the lamppost. Couldn't give a fuck. If they scratched his taxi, I wouldn't care. I'd just fill in an accident form. Muppet in taxi, couldn't read road, scratched his cab. Whoop whoop, it's the sound of the police. I think. Could be whoop whoop, it's the sound of the ambulance. It doesn't have the same ring to it. It's definitely whoop whoop, sound of something. Not sure what. I will point out them cabs are all Uber and they're all parked in, oh look, a cycle lane. They're all advanced bookings. Advanced bookings. Advanced bookings. police here. DL. Someone calling a riot. That's the entire Greater Manchester Police Force there, leaving them not busy to police these tits. They do spot checks everywhere else. They should do more in Manchester. Spot check them, making sure they've got all their particulars. The licence, the person on the licence is the person bloody driving, and the plate belongs to the correct person. Now, is he doing shoe deal? He is doing shoe deal. I don't know if shoe deal's open. He's doing it. Well, we'll go with him. I say I'm gonna go with him. Let me have a look. He get in. No, he's bypassing it, so we'll go this way. And quite frankly, if people are at Shoedale, they can walk from there just down the road. It's like 2 seconds down the road. Well, probably about 5 minutes in a drunken state, but you know, you can't get in and out of Shoedale because of A, the taxi, and B, they shouldn't because the taxi was used as a taxi rank, if not. Because the word bus never entered their vocabulary. Fuck off! This is another great bit of road here. It's a clearway this at night. To stop this. It's a clearway, no stopping between 10 PM and 4 AM. Welcome to Victoria. That's it, done, finished.
You can now find us on Facebook, YouTube, Patreon, Twitter and Instagram.
Hashtag MangBosses. Find us at mangbosses.com. Man bosses, we're sorting scrap.